So we're here for the premiere. And looks like we have Miramar Town Hall Center. Look at this line. Everybody roll out to support. This was awesome. Everybody definitely did looking beautiful. I love it. Alright. See there? City of Miramar. Bang. As we approach the red carpet, and there's Mr. Cabra, Mike Cabra, getting his special entry. That's Brenda. Are you the king? See it there? Against the new Spragga. Good job, good job. Superstar Ninja in the building. Oh, good shop. How you doing? Good. Everything nice, bro. One of us. Upstairs. Me say that one about top floor. Yeah. So one of the actors in the movie Unbelievable. Joshy there.
Tight. Excuse me, mama.
Hey, Joshy there on the soil. Rastafari. Anas G. Sorry, mom. We got Joshy, we got Ninja. Ready? Let's go. Just want to run this video. Let's take a cool video. King, are you this side? Oh, cool there. Here we go.
I want to thank all the actors and actresses in the house. There's a lot of celebrity. You might not see them, but you'll see them later on the screen. We have some giveaways. We're going to play a little game. Just so happy that we cast people not knowing they have that same story that they are playing in the movie. That's how serious it is. And I'm going to announce it to you. There's no swearing. And there's no nudity. So we are going to show people that we could talk without cussing. Because we intellect and we have education and we don't dark. Like some people say we is. We don't dark. We can get dark when it's time, but we can't get light when it's time. That's what makes us unique. So it's time to be light, not dark. So enjoy the movie.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that was the writer, producer.
It's my 7th wedding anniversary.
Congratulations! What are the two of you doing tonight?
Cheers. 7 years, babe. Cheers. We have a 98% success rate. Every case is strategically handled.
She had 6 months pregnant now.
Wow.
Yeah.
What? Did the doctor tell you to stop taking those supplements? Chris, stop!
She lost the baby.
Isn't it like the 3rd time?
You can always try again. We're not the only person with this problem.
Mom, why do I have to be the one going through this?
You have to give her some space and some time still, bro.
This is all your fault. You kept taking more and more and more supplements.
We can't even touch her, bro. We can't touch her. 3 months.
What's wrong with her, bro? You think she's seen somebody else?
I didn't raise you like that.
Let me handle it my way. It's my marriage.
I know something special about you.
Explain it to me. I found it in your pocket. Chris, you cheated on me?
You didn't tell me you have a wife. You're gonna get what's coming to you. I promise.
You're seeing with my wife today.
What wife?
Who was there for you when you didn't have nothing? We held you down.
One destiny.